Hey guys, I'm here to give you my honest review and thoughts about Canon laser toner for the laser printer. Most of the time I just print black, so this is something I get on a regular basis. I just wanted to say I've tried some of the knockoffs as well and regretted it dearly because eventually it just fails. Doesn't matter what brand it is. I've tried a few of them. And when they do, you get a big mess all over in your printer. It comes out as like this powdery dust and it gets all over the inside of the printer, and then you have to try to go in there and clean it up. It's just not worth it. I will only stick to Canon, genuine brand. Black and white line art that prints out for my coloring books are just so bold and saturated with black ink. It comes out on par with a professional printer, and so this is definitely worth investing in, even though it might cost more than a knockoff. But in the end, the quality and the reliability will pay off in the long run. It'll prevent you from damaging your printer, which could be a much bigger problem. You know how printers are, they're very finicky. So definitely recommend it. Genuine Canon uh, laser printer ink. I hope this is helpful.